important. Okay. Solubility product. Solubility, Bility, solubility product, that is KSP. Eighth number, ionic product. Ionic product. What is there? QSP. This is there. Next one, ninth number, pH. 10th one, hydrolysis of salt. Hydrolysis of salt and their pH. Next one, 11th number, buffer solution. Buffer solution and their pH. Okay. And if you are talking about any other things may come, that much is sufficient for the concept point of view. If you are studying this one, common ion effect, 100% it will come. Common ion effect. That we have already discussed this topic. If you remember this one, there's all the topics we have already discussed. So you go through this topic. If any of the topic you are missing, that you let me know.
Sir, in organic chemistry, sir, there are the two types of projections given. So you can tell that once, sir. So that projection one, Newman and staggered, Sawhorse. So that one can you do once?
Okay, that is what conformation. Conformation. Okay, conformation. So conform means rotation around CC sigma bond. No, rotation around CC sigma bond. CC sigma bond. So two types of conformation is there. The representation is there. If you talk about this one, first one is Newman projection. Newman projection. Newman projection. And second one is Sawhorse projection. Asa. Newman projection, if you talk about how the Newman, that is, this is the one front carbon and this is the back carbon. Circle dot is front carbon and circle is back carbon. And hydrogen of the front carbon is represented like that. This is Newman projection, right? And the back carbon hydrogen is not fully represented. So if it is represented like that, that is called Newman projection. Sawhorse projection.
This is a Newman projection and this is a staggered one, na?
This is the staggered one. We are making this one. This is, if it is the two carbon are represented by tilted line, that is what is called Sawhorse projection. This is hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. It can be rotated 60 degrees, so it will be Sawhorse. Now they are of two types. They are of two types. First one, if you are going in the Newman projection, that is what is called eclipse form. Eclipsed. Okay, and second one is staggered. In your syllabus, it is very little is there, but if you study competitively, then it will come Gauche conformation, staggered, anti-staggered, partial staggered, fully staggered. There are many
For
types.
today, sir, you want to tell me what is relevant for the school exam, sir. After this ends, we will do, sir, according to the NEET only.
Okay. Here is the.
Now, if I get extra information, then probably there is chance for confusion, sir. I want to avoid that.
Okay. Staggered. Here the angle, if you are dihedral angle is 0 degree. Here dihedral angle is 60 degree. Here angle, if you are talking about 0. Angle, if you are talking about, it is 60 degree. Suppose I am making this one here. So what we can do in the eclipse case, the hydrogen of front carbon and back carbon exactly lie at the similar position. See, this is the hydrogen of front carbon. Back carbon hydrogen are also very much close to it. Yes or no? So because of the,
Yes.
there will be, if the atoms are close, there will be repulsion. And if there will be repulsion, the molecule will be unstable. So eclipse form is unstable. Now you go for the staggered. If you are making the staggered conformation, you will find that is hydrogen atom of both carbon are far away from each other. They are not in the reach. They are at 60 degrees. So repulsion is less. Here you will find that is it is the long distance is there na. So less repulsion. Less repulsion is going to be stable. Here is unstable. Close na, very close. Close means unstable. So eclipse form is unstable. Staggered form is stable. Similarly, if you are making eclipse of this one, carbon and carbon. So what you are find, this is the hydrogen, here is the hydrogen, this is hydrogen. Another carbon you are mentioning, this is the hydrogen. It may be hydrogen. Close are coming.
Sir,
Here
you are
close.
drawing.
Yes, yes.
No, sir. Okay, okay.
Here you see, you can make them far. If it is like that, here is the hydrogen, here is hydrogen. This one, here is hydrogen, this one, hydrogen, and this is hydrogen. So here distance is there, staggered form, no repulsion, so stable. Is it okay to you?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Thank you. Can I reach?
Sir, what type of question comes from conformation?
They will ask which form is stable one. That is one question is there. Draw the conformation of butane. If they are asking butane, so butane is like that: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. These two carbon we consider 1, 2. So 1, 2, if you are considering this one, so what is there? This is the first carbon and this is the second carbon. So with the first carbon, see the most stable I am making. This is the first carbon. So with first carbon, what is there? CH3 is there, then hydrogen is there, then hydrogen. You see two hydrogen, one CH3. Now with the second carbon, CH3 you need to put the down. Here is the hydrogen, this is hydrogen. So this is called anti-staggered. Anti-staggered. Why is anti-staggered? If you see this CH3, both the CH3 group are what? 180 degree, na? So repulsion will be less. So this is anti-staggered, most stable. Most stable. So anything they can ask, that is propane also. Propane. So propane structure is what? CH3, CH2, CH3. Only you can mention two carbon. One, you consider one and then two. So 1, 2 if you are mentioning, so this is the front carbon if you can mention, and front carbon if you are considered to be this. So what will be, that is 3 hydrogen are there only. Now you need to mention the back carbon. So in the back carbon 2 hydrogen 1 methyl group. I am mentioning this is the methyl group. This is the hydrogen, this is hydrogen. So this is, but this is again going to be staggered only. Can you understand?
Yes.
Provision is what is there. We can mention only 2 carbon. That's it. One is the first carbon. If you are talking about first carbon, represented by dot. Second carbon, if you going second carbon, it is circle. Can you understand this?
Yes.
No.
Sir, understood. Yes.
Okay. What else you want?
Now balancing of redox reaction. Sir, one example each from ion that electronic. Sir, I will need one example from the three types of the rebalancing. The first one is at oxidation number, then acidic medium, basic medium.
Okay. So you want balancing redox reaction.